How to verify your age on TikTok. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, we are inside our mobile devices right here, and of course you want to open up the TikTok application. Now once inside TikTok, the next thing that you want to do is to navigate through the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. It's this button right here that says profile. Now inside your profile, the next thing that you want to do is to navigate through the top right corner where you can see the three lines at the corner right here, and this pop-up menu will show up where you can click settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, click on account, and in here you can just go ahead and click on the user information. Inside the user information, we can then go ahead and see our date of birth right here. You can just go ahead and click on it, and inside you will be able to verify or change your age on TikTok. And as you can go ahead and see, you can't edit it for a long time, so make sure that you have entered the right age on the TikTok account. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.